Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at an easy problem, that is problem 2363, merge similar items. So the requirement for this problem is very straightforward. So for an item with same value, we're going to sum up their weights and then we just do the return. So the video for this problem is actually to introduce the dictionary get function. So here the get method for a dictionary object is the following. So we can check the value for a given key. So if the key is present in the dictionary, so we're going to return the corresponding value. Otherwise, we can put a default value according to our needs. And then if the key does not present in the dictionary, so the return is going to be the default value at our disposal. So with that said, let's look at this problem. First, I'm going to initialize an empty dictionary, which is going to help us prepare the return. So with that said, then we're going to basically iterate over the two items list. So basically, we can use two for loop, or we can chain together the two lists and use one for loop. Let's use two for loop here for value and weight in items one. Then basically we're going to set this value. So we're going to set this value by first call this get method. So if the value is present in the current dictionary state, we're going to get the corresponding value corresponding to the key, also called value. Then if it's not, we're going to set it as 0. So then we increment this one by w. So that's actually the first for loop. Then we can do the second for loop, exactly the same, but we change these items to be items 2. So then we are going to prepare the result. Let's take an initial variable called result, and then because we are required to return the things in an ascending order, so we are going to iterate like this for key in sorted d keys, right? Then we're going to append the result with the key and its corresponding weight. So the weight can be checked from d key. So notice that for now we do not need to use the get function because we're iterating within the keys of the dictionary. So with that said, we are ready to return the result. So that's a full solution to this easy problem. So let's do a special case check. It passes the first example. Now let's do a generic case check. Yeah, it passes the generic case. So if we want to save one line of code, so we can do something like this. Let me copy this one and comment out this one. And then what we are going to do is that we do something like this. So for a value and w in items, then we chain these two things together. And then we do the test. Yeah, it also passes all the generic case. I will see actually giving two lists as argument in this problem is not necessary, right? So but that's the problem statement. With that said, I guess that's about it for this video. The main purpose is to introduce the get method for a dictionary object. Thank you very much.